Hi everyone, this is Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video we'll be speaking about top 7 high-paying freelancing jobs for students in India. So already we have spoken about first 3 jobs in the previous video. In this video we'll be speaking about the next 4, and there was a question that I asked in the previous video. Hope that you have answered it in that video, but there's one more question that I want to ask you in this video, and that question is going to be, after you watch this video till the end, do let us know in the comment section which freelancing job or which freelancing skill you are going to select. We also would like to know, and others who are watching, they would also like to know your opinion or your choice, and they will also be sharing their choices. So please do comment down in the comment section below once you watch the full video. So let's get started. 4th, search engine optimization. In simple terms, if I tell you what does this mean, you might have seen on YouTube you search certain term and some videos come on top. On Google you search certain term and some websites come on top. How do they come on top? There is a person who puts the headlines, titles, what terms are people searching for, and when should your video or article come up. So that is something that this person does who has knowledge in SEO. But if you like to do this kind of work where you have to analyze which terms will do better, then you can take a look at this domain. The salary package that you can expect is 296 rupees per hour. Again, this is an average depending on what kind of work you do. It can increase or decrease. 5th, translation. Now translation in simple terms is process of converting from one language to another, and a person who converts this certain text or certain information from one language to another is known as translator. So it's very important for translator to be expert in that source language as well as that target language. This is a kind of more challenging work because you have to know both the languages, but if you can do this, you like working in languages, you like to study about languages, then the package or the pay range that you can expect is between 40,000 per year to 7.1 lakhs per year. Obviously it depends on what kind of work you are doing, but yes, there is lot of money you can earn if you are good in this. Some of the sectors that you can work in is legal sector, where we'll have legal documents which needs to be converted to a language which can be understood, or medical documents. Again, medical documents are documents which normally people are not able to understand because it is in medical terms. So someone who can understand the medical terms and translate it to a simpler language. Or if we see market research, again there's lot of data, so someone who is expert in data and can analyze and give the final understanding in simple terms, like what does this data mean. 6th, data analytics. Now this is a highly skilled job, but also the pay range is higher. So one is you have to learn this properly, but once you learn this, the pay range, it is quite a lot, almost 30 lakhs per year you can earn just doing freelancing in data analysis. So it's a highly skilled and highly paying job. Now one thing is that you need to have that analytical skills to learn this, and obviously you need to have interest also, but if you are able to do it, you can expect that in freelancing you can earn a lot. Now some of the industries that you can work in is healthcare, finance, marketing and research. 7th, digital marketing and social media marketing. Again, you know all companies want to be online, and we spend so much time on online platforms like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter. So many platforms are there. So a digital marketer, social media marketer should have knowledge about all these platforms, and there are companies who want to be active on these platforms. So you can do the work for them, and obviously for that you will get paid. The pay range, if we see, around 250 rupees per hour you can expect, but again pay range depends on what kind of work you are doing. But if you are really interested in the social media, online media platforms, then definitely you can learn about this and try to work in this domain. So these were the top 7 high paying freelancing job for students. Now definitely don't forget to comment down in the comment section below which freelancing job are you going to select. We would also like to know that which is it that you are selecting. And if you found this video even a little bit useful, please do click on the like button so that this video reaches more people. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, follow us on Instagram at @EdYoda, EdYoda. That is it for today's video. See you again in the next one. Till then, bye bye.